everyone, this is Olivia. Welcome to Nerd Chinese with Olivia. In the first 4 lessons, we have learned 6 simple finals, 8 initials, 4 tones, and some Chinese characters, right? I explain it to you in detail, so perhaps you can get some feelings or you have already found the proper way to learn Chinese. So under these circumstances, I'd like to speed up the process so that you can pronounce all pinyin in the short term. And as for further, you can read the syllables of Chinese pinyin when you see them at the first sight. In lesson 5, we will review what we've learned in the first 4 lessons. I believe it's not so tough for you. Just need time to do more exercise and to do some practices. So without any ado, let's get started. And before, in the lesson 5, I'd like to check the homework with you. Have you finished the homework? Let's have a check. For the first one, 驴 Obviously, that is rising. The tone is rising, right? And 驴 le, yu, 驴. And when placing the tone on yu, it is not allowed to remove the 2 points, right? 2 dots, right? So we can find it. 驴, right? This is the first one. And next one, 打 is very easy, right? Still the tone rising, right? 打, yeah, this one we get it. 打. And for the next one, 坡 it's 坡. That is a flatting. Yeah, flatting. So we can get 坡 or 坡. Yeah, we get it. For this one. For the next one, that is 马. It's a little bit difficult for us to pronounce it because it's falling down, right? So where is 马 mo a 马 can we find it? 马 yes, we get it there. This is the 4th one. Okay, for the next one, 把 can we find it? It seems like 波 with the rising tone, right? So that is 把. Where is 把? It's close to us, right? For this one, the 5th. And for the next one, 摸 and with the tongue, third tone, right? 摸. We get it. This is the 6th one. And for the 7th one, that is P, po, e, p. And when placing the tone on e, we must remove the dot. And how about the next one? 补 Yeah, that is the 3rd tone. 补 Can you find it? And for the next one, 鲁 also the 3rd tone, right? 鲁 Can you get it? Yes. And for the last one, that is 的 with the 2nd tone. Yeah, 2nd tone, 的. Yeah, there. All answers correct? If you did it well, I suppose you have enough confidence in lesson 5. So let's go. Look at our blackboard. The first column is, what we've learned. It's initial. B, P, M, F, D, T, N, L, right? And for this one is our finals, 6 simple finals. A, O, I, U. First of all, I'd like to restate the strokes of each. For the first one, B, right? It's similar to the English letter B, right? For the next one, is same as the English letter P. The next one, there are 2 doors, right? For the next one, we've mentioned if we write like the English letter F, it's incorrect. For the next one, the next one, just like the English letter T. The next one, only 1 door. And the last one. And for the finals, it is very important because we say, just like the vowels in English, so it is a fundamental of a syllable. As for the strokes of these finals, the first one, next one, just like the English letter O, right? And for the next one, like English letter E. The next one, it's a little bit different from letter I, right? And for the next one, for the last one, there are 2 dots. We need to remember the pronunciation and the strokes of all of what we've learned, the 6 simple finals and some of initials. Kindly notate, the simple finals cannot exist individually. So we need to put them together to make syllables. Before doing it, I need to restate the 4 key points what we've learned. The first one is all tones should be placed on the finals. Number 2, not each initials can be paired with finals to make up an effective syllable. or say to make a Chinese character. Number 3, one syllable can correspond to multiple Chinese characters. And number 4, there are a lot of polyphonic Chinese characters. Keep these 4 key points as a principle in our heart. Okay, now we choose some initials and finals to make a syllable. Firstly, I'd like to choose the and I, the and I, the I, the I, D. And then we place the tones on I. D. Okay, so for this one, we need to focus on the writing of E. When we place the tones on E, we need to remove the dot. Yes. Okay, and then we said N and A together. N, A, N, A, na. And then we place the tone on A on the final. Okay. Na. So for this one, we need to focus on the pronunciation of N. The sound just through the nasal cavity. N, it's a little bit different. No, not a little bit. It's quite different from L. So at this level, we don't need to care about whether these are effective syllables or these are related Chinese characters. No need to worry about it. No need to care about it. Just focus on Pinyin, the pronunciation of the syllable. In order to assist you to read Pinyin, read this syllable as soon as possible, I'd like to accompany with you to do more exercises. So now we choose L as an example and find the partner as U, L, U, L, U, L, U, L, U, L. And then we place the tone on U due to the final, right? Le yu, le yu, lu. 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 Pay attention to this one. L and N. And focus on the third tone. Falling, rising, right? Lu, lu. Na, di. 底. Can you pronounce the syllable by yourself? I'd like to show you some syllables. Ha. So, can you pronounce it in just 5 seconds? Have a look and have a try. Okay, let's have a check. For the first one, bo, a, ba, bo, a, ba. The tone is flat. Ba, ba. The next one, le, I, li, le, I, li. The tone is rising. Li, li. Next one, mo, o, mo, mo, o, mo. Still rising. Mo, mo. Po, I, pi, po, I, pi. Still rising. Pi, pi. Te, te. It's falling. Te, te, te. Next one. Fo, o, fo, fo, o, fo. Back to rising, right? Fo, fo. This one. Ne, I, ni, ne, I, ni. Focus on the nasal cavity. Ni, ni. This one. De, wu, du. De, wu, du. Focus on this. Falling, rising. Du, du. This one. Le, u, lu. Le, u, lu. It's falling. Lu, lu. Te, a, ta. Te, a, ta. Flat. Ta, ta. Read after me again. Ba, ba, ba. Li, li, li. Mo, mo, mo. Po, pi. Te, te. Fo, fo. Ni, ni. Du, du. Le, u, lu. Te, a, ta. If you can read them at the first sight, I'm sure you did a very good job in the first 4 lessons. So we can have a try for a new challenge. Actually, these are effective expressions or words, but in this level, you don't need to focus on the full meaning of them. Just to focus on the pronunciation of the syllable and then to pronounce them correctly as fast as you can. So we have a try. Mo, fa. How to get it? Mo, o, mo. Fo, fa. Mo, fa. The next one. Pa, ti. How to get it? Po, pa. Te, i, ti. The next one. Ne, I, right? Ne, I, ni. Te, wu, tu. So we get ni, tu. The next one. De, i, di. Me, I, mi. Di, mi. Next one. Fo, fo. 了义了义了义力佛力 Next one 波义波义波义币木物sorry 魔物魔物魔物木闭目 And about this 的啊的啊的啊大了以了以了以礼大礼 Next one 破哦破哦破哦破佛啊佛啊佛啊发破发 Next one 了悟了悟了悟路特无特无特无图路途 The next one and the last one 特宜特宜特宜提魔物魔物魔物木题目 If you get all of them correctly, I'm 100% confident about you for learning the first 4 lessons. And if just 80% of all correct pronounced, I suggest you to make more practice and spend more time in practicing. Yeah. And if just less than half, I suggest you to go back to watch the first 4 lessons and to know the pronunciation exactly. But no matter you get a 100 grade or just 80 grade or just less than 50 grade, if you have any questions in pronunciation, freely leave me message so that I know your difficulties and give you some measurement to make up it. So if you like my lesson, you can recommend it to your family members and friends. So much for this lesson and see you next time. Bye.